Ever wondered how equipped you are to handle a difficult situation where your personal safety is at risk? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But fear not, as today we dive into the world of self-defense techniques, arming you with knowledge that could potentially save your life. First on our list is the timeless martial art of karate. Originating from Japan, karate emphasizes striking techniques such as punching, kicking, knee strikes, and open hand techniques. A well-placed karate strike can incapacitate an attacker, giving you precious time to escape. But remember, the goal is to defend, not to engage. Moving on, we explore the dynamic world of unarmed combat. This broad discipline encompasses various techniques from different martial arts. With its roots in the military, unarmed combat focuses on neutralizing threats using minimal force. It involves learning how to use your body's natural weapons, such as elbows, knees, and even your head, to fend off attackers. Next up is Taekwondo, a Korean martial art that places heavy emphasis on high, fast kicks. The beauty of Taekwondo lies in its ability to keep an attacker at a distance. A swift kick can deter an assailant, but mastering this art requires practice and precision. Now, let's not forget about boxing. This sport might seem aggressive, but it's an excellent form of self-defense. Boxing teaches you how to throw punches effectively, how to move quickly, and most importantly, how to avoid getting hit. But remember, self-defense is not just about physical techniques. It's also about awareness, understanding, and preparedness. Understanding your surroundings, being aware of potential threats, and preparing yourself mentally and physically can make all the difference. It's important to note that learning self-defense is not about promoting violence. It's about promoting safety, confidence, and empowerment. It's about learning how to protect yourself and your loved ones. It's about standing strong in the face of adversity and saying, "I'm not a victim." So take up a class, watch a tutorial, or read a book. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to defend yourself. Practice regularly, and remember, the key to mastering these techniques lies in consistency and discipline. But above all else, remember this: self-defense is not a guarantee of safety, but a tool for survival. It's a skill that, when combined with common sense and awareness, can greatly increase your chances of staying safe. So as we wrap up today's discussion, remember, personal safety is a right, not a privilege. And with these self-defense techniques, you are taking an important step towards protecting that right. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay prepared.